Hey there! Are you looking for an easy way to manage your website without any technical knowledge? Well, look no further because, in this video, we will be discussing how to use cPanel in free web hosting. But before we get into that, let me introduce you to ABCHost. They are a free web hosting provider that offers cPanel, which is a powerful control panel that makes managing your website a breeze. Here are the steps on how to use cPanel in free web hosting. Sign up for a free web hosting account with a provider that offers cPanel, such as ABCHost. Log into your cPanel account using the credentials provided by your web hosting provider. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with various icons representing different features of cPanel. To manage files for your website, click on the File Manager icon. You can upload, create, delete, and edit files from this interface. To create and manage email accounts, click on the Email Accounts icon. From there, you can set up professional email addresses like yourname@yourdomain.com. To back up your website, click on the Backup icon. You can either create a backup manually or schedule automatic backups. To protect your website from malware and other security threats, click on the Security icon. You can use tools like the virus scanner and firewall to keep your website safe and secure. That's it. With these simple steps, you can use cPanel to manage your website without any technical knowledge.